In the File Explorer, after selecting the files, the file count in the status bar increases, but the files are not highlighted as they should be. And if you ever face the same issue, you don't have to worry, as we will list all the multiple fixes to get the File Explorer back to its normal functioning. First, you can restart it without completely rebooting the system using Task Manager. All you have to do is open Task Manager from the taskbar, switch to Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer on the list, right-click on the Windows Explorer process, and select Restart from the context menu. Now this will close all the active File Explorer instances and refresh the taskbar icons. Now launch the File Explorer again and try to select multiple files. Next, perform a complete shutdown. You just have to open Command Prompt with admin rights, enter the following command, press Enter, restart the system, launch File Explorer, select a bunch of files, and check if the highlighting issue still occurs. And for your last option, disable Fast Startup type on your Windows. Disable Fast Startup on Windows. To do it, open Run, type in the following, press Enter, click on the Choose What the Power Buttons Do option, then click on the Change Settings, scroll down and uncheck the Fast Startup option, click on the Save Changes option, and exit the Power Options window. And that's how you can fix if your File Explorer does not highlight selected files and folders issue. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.